So we have arrived at the Giraffe Centre. We're just waiting for our guide to come and show us around. It was a little bit of a bumpy ride. Things to note maybe from some of my videos, you'll see it's very, very dry here right now. It's just coming to the end of dry season. So you'll see a lot of the rivers are empty, and a lot of the land is like very cut up from when it is rainy season. It comes down really hard, and because it's so dry, it like makes its own little cracks in the land. So you'll see parts of it that have been washed away, and it's very, very dry. This sign captured my attention. Why doesn't the giraffe head explode? Because it's twice the blood pressure of a human. That's why it can hold its head down for so long while it eats. Fascinating. So here's some art just displaying like right now what is in dry season versus what it looks like in the wet season. So you see this tree, I'm actually not quite sure what it is called, but it has like these gigantic thorns and thistles on it. This is what the giraffes love to eat, and you'll see here in the sanctuary, it is literally filled with these kind of trees. That is not a giraffe, it is a cow. The giraffes are in here somewhere. So this tree is called acacia.
Very nice. Yeah, really? They are good in looking for the bees.
We are about to approach the giraffes. Look at this little one. So curious.
Really? Sure. She's right here. He's eating. For the new baby. Poor man.
Well. So cute, little Loki. This one's pregnant. And our guide was telling us that you can tell by the wrinkles that she's pregnant. Okay, we have found the leader, the mother of the pack, Valerie. So she guides them to keep moving. Here she is.
Here we are for the matron.
Yeah, Joram told me like there is somebody
That loves chapati.
So
Nice.
you've got chapati, you've got white cabbage.
Thank you.
This is beans together with coconut.
Oh, nice. And rice.
You've got white rice.
Thank you. Very nice.
For starter, we have got beef samosa.
Oh.
And for
I'm just here in the One with Nature toilet, where you literally sit and look out and maybe even see a giraffe. This clock tower is the most central part of Africa. It's covered because they're having an election. Okay, so this is our room tour. I'm gonna take you to the bed first. And we have a city view. And it's nice and tiny, and we've kind of exploded.
Oh, this is for us?
Hello. Okay, so we are just sitting here post shower. I am getting ready to pack as we are leaving for the airport at 3:45 tomorrow morning. And it is our last night here in Tanzania. We had a great day. We did some yoga in the morning, then headed to the Giraffe Centre, which was an incredible experience. And I didn't record the chat, but the chat was even beyond what we were expecting at the Giraffe Centre. It was just talking about the community and how they're wanting to give back and the way they want to give back, and not just giving people money, but teaching them how, kind of like the philosophy, if you teach them how to fish, they'll be able to feed themselves forever instead of giving someone fish. So it was really nice, and we spoke with the owner, and I highly recommend just going and seeing and learning about what they are wanting to do for the community around them, and agriculture and surviving and making sustainable living again in this area. So after that, we came back, we rested by the pool, we did the sauna in the steam room, and then we went for dinner at the rooftop, watched a bit of the sunset. It was kind of blocked by the mountain, and enjoyed a beautiful dinner. And now we are here going to pack, get some shut-eye, and then head to Uganda tomorrow.